In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to make Jotform mobile friendly. Whether you're a seasoned Jotform user or just getting started, ensuring your forms are accessible and easy to navigate on mobile devices is crucial. Let's dive into the steps to make your Jotform creation shine on smartphones and tablets. To get started, head over to jotform.com. This is your go-to hub for all things related to form creation and management. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't already. If you're new to Jotform, you'll need to sign up first, but don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Now that you're on the Jotform homepage, look for the Create button. It's usually prominently displayed and easy to find. Clicking on Create is your gateway to starting a new form. Once you click it, you'll see several options, but for our purposes, you'll want to select Form. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to craft forms tailored to your needs. After selecting form, you'll be presented with the opportunity to use a template. Templates are a fantastic way to save time and ensure consistency, especially if you're not sure where to start. Click on Use Template to explore the wide range of available templates. This step opens up a library of pre-designed forms that you can customize to your liking. Browse through the templates until you find one that fits your needs. Once you have your eye on the perfect template, simply click Use Template. This will load the template into the form builder, allowing you to make modifications as needed. Remember, you can always tweak the design later to better fit your brand or personal style. With the template loaded, it's time to see how your form will look on mobile devices. Click Preview Form located at the top right corner of the page. This handy feature lets you view the form as your users would see it, giving you the chance to spot any potential issues before they become real problems. Finally, to specifically check the mobile view, click on the phone icon, also found at the top right of the preview screen. This action will simulate how the form appears on a smartphone, providing a realistic view of the mobile experience. It's an essential step to ensure that users filling out your form on the go will have no trouble navigating and completing it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've made your Jotform mobile friendly, ensuring a seamless experience for users accessing your forms from their phones. Mobile optimization is a key component of user engagement and satisfaction. So taking the time to preview and adjust your forms for mobile devices is well worth the effort. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Feel free to explore more features and customization options that Jotform offers to further enhance your forms. Happy form building!